Hello, dear friends. Very warm welcome to all of you at this beautiful, amazing platform, Cerebellum Academy. So, right now we are having Dr. Prathyusha with all of us. Yes, she cracked the recent FMG January 2024 exam in the first attempt. Better, Dr. Prathyusha, many congratulations to you. Please inform me and our students about you.
Thank you so much, sir. And I'm Prathyusha, and I did my graduation in European University. It's in Tbilisi and Georgia, and I cracked my first in our first attempt with the score of 165. And
Very
thank
nice.
you so much, sir. And I'm a live class subscriber of Cerebellum.
Very nice, beta. Very nice. So, hope you are very happy and your parents are very happy.
Yes, sir.
What are your emotions in your family? What is the celebration right now?
So they are very happy. And when I told them that I passed, she was jumping out of happiness, and they called all the loved ones and they informed that I passed. And because they were stressed, because they were listening from other students, because they took many attempts. But when I told them I passed, they were so happy. And that was the moment I felt like I made them proud
Very nice, beta. Very
because
nice.
they did more than they could for me. So this was the small thing that I can give in back.
Very beautiful, beta. Yes, dear friend, this is the day. This is the day for which you have to study. When your parents becomes happy, yes,
Yes,
they are
sir.
having full of emotions. You have to study for this day.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, Dr. Pratyusha, can you inform us about the undergraduate time, how you were studying?
Sir, I started my preparation after COVID, and
Okay.
I did all the small subjects, main videos during my preparation. And during semester holidays, I did a few subjects of big subjects like surgery, obs, gynae, physio, all these subjects during the holidays. For like almost like 10 subjects, I did main videos. And
Okay.
then after that, I came back to India, and then I purchased the cerebellum, and I attended live classes. And because I already did main videos before, that made my strong concept and basics are strong. And then in live classes, I just followed the schedule, whatever they provided, and I did my best. That's it, sir.
Very nice, beta. Very nice. So, also, can you inform us total how many hours you were studying per day? You were preparing the notes, yes or not? You are following any proper planning management schedule? What was your preparation with during the your preparation of the FMG, especially?
Sir, I didn't prepare any notes because I already always had that FOMO, like maybe I missed some important point, so I always followed the printed notes. And
Okay.
it not every day was like the same equal hours of study I had, sir. Some days were very productive, and some days were like not even up to the mark. But the only one
Yes.
thing was I didn't skip even one day. At least 2 hours I used to manage.
Very nice, very nice. So this is the your way for the preparation and
Yes,
any what are the different strengthful subject? What were your strength and what were your weak subjects during the preparation? Please
sir.
inform us
We,
about the
of course, biochemistry and
biochemistry.
pharma. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes,
And
yes, yes.
Goga sir made it simple.
Easy. Yes, yes,
Yes, sir.
definitely, definitely. Sir he has
That
having the
mnemonics
20
were like
miracles
very easy to
mnemonics.
retain.
Correct, beta, correct.
Yes, sir. And remaining all subjects like manageable, and favorites are like opto and medicine, physio, especially,
Very
and
nice.
anatomy. You made it so simple. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you like the anatomy, that is very good thing. Otherwise, anatomy is very dry, hard, boring, and volatile subject.
Yes,
So
sir.
very nice to know this all the things. And can you inform how many tests you were giving during the preparation? Grand test, minor test, this all.
Sir, I actually assessed myself in every platform where I can attend. Like, because if we are doing in one single platform, maybe the same questions what teachers are getting, we'll find the same questions in the GT. So it could be like overconfidence because when we do the same questions, but when we
Yeah,
give in the different platforms, we can actually assess where we stand.
very
So I
nice,
gave in all the platforms where I can easily find. Like, there are so many platforms available there. So
very beautiful,
and only one thing I made sure is like the graph should be increasing. It does not go down. That's it.
very beautiful.
And I
So
think I gave 10 to 15 GTs, sir, maybe like weekly
wow.
ones.
Yes, yes.
every week I gave, and then when it was only 2 weeks before the exam, I didn't give any GT because that was not the main exam, because I have to get revised more so that I can perform well in the exam.
I want to listen again. You given 250.
No, 10 to 15.
Okay, okay. Sorry. I heard 250. Okay, 10 to
No, no,
15. Yes,
no,
yes,
no,
yes.
sir.
Very nice. You are giving properly with the proper management or with the proper planning this grand test. So this tests they are very very important.
Yes, sir.
And any more struggle point in your life or during preparation which you want to inform our dear students?
Sir, I think I did two mistakes in my preparation, which I
Yeah,
realized late. One was like not uh, taking care of physical health and mental health, completely ignoring it. I think
yeah.
at least just having 15 minutes of physical activity in the day should help us. And
Correct.
one more thing is, I didn't revise from the beginning. I started revising after the first read. So that what happened is, like, I took the same amount of time which I took for the first read for the first revision.
Very nice.
So like the lucky factor was like exam postponed for 1 month, so I'm able to cope up. So, but I don't think so I should repeat this mistake, and I will suggest my juniors also to not do that.
Very nice, beta. This is the first interview in which the student, Dr. Pratyusha, is saying that we have to maintain the physical and mental
Yes,
health
sir.
also, because we are doing the physical activity. Definitely, our soul, our brain, our heart, these all are getting refreshment, and definitely strong body and sound mind is very very important for the
Yes, because
preparation.
this journey is like a ride, because we will experience so many emotions in this journey, so we need to be strong.
Very correct, beta. Very correct. So it is very, very beautiful. Yes, Dr. Pratyusha, any more final message if you want to inform to our dear students what they should do for the proper preparation for the achievement of their goals?
Yes, sir. Everybody is doing hard work.
Yeah,
The only thing is, like, there are so many factors included, like luck,
correct,
everything.
beta.
Just make your concepts clear, and just don't think about July exam will be difficult, December will be easy. Just do your hard work, leave the rest to God. You will pass with the flying colors. Don't leave
Very
hope.
nice. Very nice, beta. Again, you are saying about the hope. This all the positive vibes are very important. And yes, Dr. Pratyusha, I'm just changing one question because we are taking the many our interviews, and all interviews are approximately similar kind of the question, similar kind of the answer by the student. So, did were you attending the live session at the Cerebellum Academy?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me any funny event, any or motivational event which you liked, so that all the students can enjoy
So,
the
because you are taking my class, my interview, so I would like to specify yours, sir, because one funny
no
moment
no
was
no
that kacha badam.
you can no you can inform anything
Yes,
any
sir.
teacher
Because
just
in I was like usually people say in offline there will be external motivation from the teachers, but even in online, I felt Cerebellum gave me that, because after the class, every teacher gave one motivational quote, and they used to motivate us, and you all told like we'll be your personal mentors, and there was constant support.
correct.
And you used to show us that Spider-Man thing and all. That was that was
Yeah.
everything was so good, sir. Like, I think it was destined to happen, because when I look back my journey, everything was like perfect.
Thank you, Vita, for such beautiful lines. Actually, I try to make interesting the anatomy. So sometimes I'm coming with the Spider-Man, even the Spider-Man dress, and I'm singing the Kacha Badam, this all the things, so that you
So
can remember.
because we never saw that before, that anatomy could be this fun, because it was always a nightmare for us. And when I looked at, like, I remember when I was attending your class, you were saying some poems and all. My friends used to come in my room and they used to get shocked. "Hey, is this anatomy class?"
So nice,
And
Vita.
even
So
Anand sir class also would be so much fun. He used to sing
yes,
class
yes,
songs.
yes. Correct, perfect, Vita. Anand sir is also very jolly in nature and always
Yes,
motivating
sir.
to the dear students.
Yes, sir. And I learned that doing physical activity from sir, because he actually sent us meditation links and all to follow that. Like,
Yes, very beautiful, Beta. This was very amazing experience for the our dear students as well as for me also. So all the best for your future career, and I want to
thank
inform
you,
you
sir.
as well as all the selected students two things. Do internship with the proper concentration. Yes,
Okay, sir.
because when you will do with your proper honesty concentration this internship, you will get the proper knowledge, and there will be no difference in between the foreign medical graduate and the Indian medical graduate.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
because Indian medical graduate, they are watching, they are observing the many patient, but now in internship you will see so many patients, and already theory you have cleared, so now there will be the no difference. This was the first thing, you have to do the internship proper with the honest. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
next thing, beta, whatever the notes you prepared, 20-30% extra you have to add there, and it will be converted into the NEET PG. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So definitely you will crack the NEET PG exam also. Best
Thank
wishes
you, sir.
from the Cerebellum team for your future, beta.
Thank
Okay.
you so much, sir.
Thank you so much for your precious time, for giving your suggestion to the dear students. Thank you, beta. God bless you
Thank
all.
you so
All
much,
the best.
sir, for your valuable suggestions. Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta. Welcome. Bye bye, dear students. We will meet in the
Bye, sir.
next interview again.